Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a supplier in Manager.io. Let's get started by opening Manager.io. Launch the application and make sure you're in the business you want to work with. So any details you add go to the right company file. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation. We're looking for the Supplier section. You'll typically find it in the main menu. This is where all vendor records live, and it's the foundation for creating purchase invoices, recording payments, and tracking supplier balances. Go ahead and click Suppliers to open the list. If this is your first time here, the list might be empty, which is perfectly fine. We're going to add a new record now. Look for the New Supplier button and click it. This opens a clean form where you'll enter the supplier's details. Start with the name field. Enter the supplier's name exactly as you want it to appear on documents. Using the official trading or legal name helps keep your records clear and consistent, especially when you have multiple vendors with similar names. Next, enter a supplier code and a credit limit. The code is a short, unique identifier that makes searching and reporting easier. Many teams use a simple pattern, like a few letters from the name plus numbers, to keep things tidy and consistent. The credit limit defines how much you're willing to have outstanding with this supplier at any time. Set a limit that matches your purchasing policy and the supplier's terms. If you work on strict prepayment, you can still record a low or zero limit to reflect that policy. Now add the supplier's address. Use the full billing or mailing address, including city, state, or region, and country. Clear, complete addresses reduce confusion later on purchase orders and invoices. If the supplier uses a specific billing address different from their physical location, enter the billing address here. Enter the supplier's email. This is typically the billing or accounts email where you'll send purchase orders or receive statements. Double-check spelling and formatting so documents route correctly. When everything looks good, click Create. This saves the supplier to your list and makes it available everywhere you select a supplier, such as on purchase invoices and payment transactions. After creating the record, you can always come back to suppliers, open the supplier, and update details if anything changes. That's it. You've opened Manager.io, located suppliers, created a new supplier, entered the name, code, credit limit, address, and email, and saved the record. You're ready to use the supplier in your purchasing workflow.